Lay Pibaro, Kinigilongi Kubor, Bamtakasni. Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya, Conrad ke Sangma. Habakran Hagajunyalang Cabinet Hagasandrik Rimpang, Ulapentip Baka Report Jungka 15 Finance Commission, Ladaban IT Balapiang de Sorkar India. Ulabatay Baka Finance Commission Kadan Benta Kabakong Sanba, Hakajung Pinbet Kumno Ansami Kapisa Hajna, Kabalum, Haka Kadanri, Hapring Sorkar, Pedeng Bat Kijilla. Kumno ka tax devolution ka trekam Menteri Rangba uloong bahakari ki khajna tax kilong patba ha arbenta direct taxes kum ka income tax but corporate tax indirect taxes ki bakhambun ki dei ka GST ka finance commission ka don ka bentaban sam ka pisa balum na ka income tax but corporate tax shaki jilla kat kum ka formula balabu sapui percent ka bha pisa shaki jilla Conrad ulapente basap hui percent na kajing yo lumpisa jong ka sarkar preng na sam shabaro ki jilla. Nrai kajing penpia ekani ka sap hui percent hapring ki jilla ka shong ha ka formula ka bakhen ya bun ki benta kum kajing yar pajba population. Kajing he jong ka jilla geographical area kajing ya pair kajing yo jing yarap income distribution kajing ya don ki cloud forest cover but kiwi ki benta jing yat pajba. Ka kendon bathamai ka Pynktah ki jilla ren Menteri Rangba ulapen pau. Ka jingsuk kya ba ka formula bathamai jongane ka finance commission kala Pynktah jurya bun ki jilla ka north east uloong balawan ra ya kawi ka benta bathamai ha ka formula contribution to GDP kani ka mut ba ki jilla ki ba ai jingyaram khambun shaka GDP jongkari kinyo jingyarap khambun nagani ka daw ki jilla he kum ka Maharashtra Gujarat Karnataka Tamil Nadu kilayo jingmentoy Henry ki jilla red kum Meghalaya baki jilla ka North East kila sha penhar ka baha pisa. Ki jilla North East ki basha Pynktah u Conrad ulaong bajan baro ki jilla ka North East kum ka Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram bat ki weipan kila sha akta na ka jinghar ka baha pisa baki yo na ka tax devolution. Jingya kendu bat ka Union Finance Minister Hadalhi. Menteri Rangba ula pentip ba ula dep ban ya kendo ya ke Union Finance Minister Hadalhi ha ka ba ka jilla Meghalaya kala IT ka jingya thu jingya khen ka babnya ban pin I kumnu kane kan pin slam ya ka jingya chaprang jong ka jilla bar ki jingya pin roi pat ba long ba ka jingya kendo kala wan ra ka jubab ka ba bar ka Finance Minister kala kular ban pet bnya ya gane ka benta dang ap ya ka rai ba khadu na ka sarkar pedeng Conrad Sangma ong bakanu karai ban penkelai ka formula ka hab ban wan na ka kadandri. Namar ka policy ka di ban tre kamlang ya baro ki jilla om tang ya ka wei ki jilla. Ka jilla Meghalaya ka kmi lenti bakan yo jingyaram. Henry ka jingya thu basyai kan sawan tang hadien baka sarkar pedeng ka shim ya karai bakhadu.
Another information that I wanted to share with all of you is that the reports of the Finance Commission have been submitted and accepted by the government of India. And as you're aware, the Finance Commission reports base their devolution of taxes on a basis of a particular formula. You all know that the taxes are normally of two kinds at the national level. One is the direct taxes and one is the indirect taxes. The direct taxes are basically income tax and corporate tax. And the indirect taxes are mostly GST. The Finance Commission is mandated to distribute the income tax and the corporate tax collected at the national level from all different individuals and corporations and base it on a formula and distribute that among the center, the states, and different requirements at the national level. 41% of the entire collection is distributed among states. And when this 41% is distributed horizontally among different states, there's a formula that is put up. In this formula, we have population, geographical area, income distribution, population, fertility rate, forest cover, so on and so forth. About 6-7 criterias or 5 criterias are there. In the last Finance Commission, the formula that was created has helped states like Meghalaya and the smaller states. This year's formula that has been created has affected almost all the states of the Northeast. except Assam, and has benefited the larger states like Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, Gujarat, mostly, Tamil Nadu, because there's a factor of contribution to GDP that has been introduced by the Finance Commission. That means whichever state contributes more, there is a weight, additional weight given to that, which has affected the small states. So therefore, every state, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, all of us, Meghalaya, have been affected by this. And this is why yesterday I had a meeting with the Honorable Finance Minister, and I've shared all the analysis that has been made by our team. And we have told her that this is affecting the growth of the state, the way we had been able to push things because of the devolution of the taxes of the 15th Finance Commission. This will majorly affect those progress and those plans. We got a positive response from Honorable Finance Minister, and she will be examining this entire process in a positive way, because we understand that whatever action is to be taken is at the national level, where a formula or a policy has to be made which will impact all states, and it cannot be only Meghalaya specific policy. And hence, the ministry will be taking some time to assess the situation, and obviously they will engage with us further. We expect that there will be some relief, but that is only going to be clear once we have a final proposal or a final decision from the center. But as I said, I just wanted to share this with all of you because it's an important aspect. And detailed meeting, as I said, was held yesterday in Delhi, and we got a positive response, but we are waiting for the final policy, and we're hoping for the best.